Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof EU5 runs and drives. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 202,350. MOT, the 28th of February 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Does drive, but the gearbox is whining in 5th and 6th gear, so will need repairing or replacing soon. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows.